enjoy yourselves as much as we do, then I think the world's gonna be a better place.
Tell him, Pasquale.
I got a feeling this is gonna be a special day. Me and my friends are making plans to go out and play. When I wake up, I'm excited 'cause a new day's waiting for me. Hey. We're not gonna waste it being sad about silly things I can't see. No.
You won't catch me frowning with tears in my eyes. I don't see rain clouds, just sunny skies. Happy people, come along with me.
Come on, everybody.
Get that silly frown right off your face. Put your troubles right there by the doorway. Because today we're having fun at Chucky's place.
The gang's gonna meet here at just about 7 o'clock. I think so. When we get together, I know we're gonna make this place rock. You hearing me now?
What do you say we get your friends together with mine?
Yeah!
We'll get this party rolling and all have a real good time.
Don't wait a minute, don't hesitate. I'm headed for Chucky's and I won't be late. Happy people, come along with me. Happy people only. Get that silly frown right off your face. Put your troubles right there by the doorway. From outside of the doorway. Because today we're having fun at Chucky's. Happy people, come along with me.
Yo, come on now, huh?
Get that silly frown right off your face.
Wipe it off.
That's right. Put your troubles right there by the doorway.
You leave it right there, huh?
'Cause today we're having fun at Chucky's place.
Speaking for Jasper Jowls, Mr. Munch, Pasquale, and the lovely Miss Helen Heavy, I want you people to know how much we appreciate you. Because when you have a good time, we have a good time. Keep smiling, and we'll see you soon.